What's up, YouTube? I want to show you guys how to get your headlights from this to this. Now this headlight,
what's up, YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to restore your headlights. Pretty easy, guys. Anybody can do it, especially if you can apply pressure. Definitely you can do it. Anybody can do this, guys. Really easy, to be honest. But before we even get to the video, go ahead and hit the like button for me. Do me a favor, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that bell notification once you hit the button. Don't subscribe if you already subscribed. It's just going to make you unsubscribe. So don't do that. But subscribe to the page. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. We're a car-based account. This is a car enthusiast, even though you see the Mustang as a profile pic and the Mustangs back there. But guys, car enthusiasts, as you see, we're working on the Accord, wide body Honda Accord. Going to get that baby looking good. Got some things for it. And got some things for the channel, but let's get to this video before we go any deeper into that.
I've sanded it before in the past, about maybe a year or 2 years ago. This headlight doesn't need to be sanded again. Some of you guys may have to sand your headlights. If you do, go ahead and click the video right here. It'll be up at the top of the video. I've already sanded them down. I even gave you guys the steps. Check the description for how to sand and what to do. It's called wet sanding. You want to make sure you wet sand. If you don't, you have the potential to mess up your headlights. So nobody wants to mess them up. This is for maybe you don't feel anything on your headlights, because another way you can tell if you need to sand your headlights, go ahead, feel the surface. If you feel debris and it feels really rough, that's when you pretty much know you need to sand them. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to do the other side, get the other side like this, because this side was just like the other side. Hold on one second for me, guys. Okay, so what you're going to need, guys, obviously you're going to need some Hazy headlights like this. And what I just use compound. I didn't even use polish on the other headlight yet. I'm going to, just to protect it and keep it clear. But what you want to use is compound. Pretty much you guys see what it does. It makes stuff really shiny. It restores it. And actually that's what it says. Color, clarity, restore. So that's basically what this does. It actually makes it less hazy. So look at this headlight. And we'll go ahead and get to this one. We're going to get it to look like that. So it's pretty easy. All you do is get something to rub it on the headlight. I'm going to show you guys myself. Now guys, it is recommended to use a microfiber applicator pad, but in this video, I'm not going to use that. You can if you want to. It will work with that. But personally, guys, I didn't use that. I just used a microfiber cloth, the towel, microfiber towel, and wiped it off with that. So that's what we're going to do in the video. Obviously, you guys know how to pour your compound on. So we'll get to the next step. Okay, guys, so we got the microfiber cloth, and now we already put the compound on there. So what I'm basically going to do, just rub it on there. That's how you do it. You rub it on. Obviously, you don't want to have it all in one spot, so you do spread it around. So make sure you get the whole headlight, and that's what we're basically going to do in this video. Make sure you get all the sides first, all around. And yes, it does get a little white and hazy. That's what it does. So don't be alarmed by that. That's exactly what happened with the other headlight. Obviously, you want to use some elbow grease too. So make sure you do that. And it's going to clear it up. I don't know exactly how it works. Just kind of know that it does work. So actually, let me go ahead and finish doing this, and I'll show you guys when I'm done. Here we go, guys. So this is the compound. We only put the compound on. I did not add the polish on the car. And now you can clearly see that the headlight looks clear. So we're going to go ahead and add the polish on the car. And we're pretty much done. Actually, you could be done with it right now, but it is recommended to put polish on after you use compound. So that's what we're going to do. Ladies and gentlemen, this is with the polish on the headlights. Clearly, it looks a lot better. I don't know if you guys can see it in the camera, but in person, it looks a lot better. It looks clear. It made it a little more clear, and it did make it look shinier, which obviously that's what the polish part does. So go ahead and try it yourself. Again, you can use the microfiber pad, applicator pad. You're going to get a better result than this, but I just didn't feel like doing it. Yes, I know. Go ahead and leave a comment. But tell me what you guys think. Can you guys see the improvement? Let me show you the other side. Let me know, can you see the improvement? All right. I appreciate you guys for commenting. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. It's your man, Wo, and I'm out.
Now look at this. Madness, the magnet keeps attracting me. I try